Let's take a look at facial expressions. So facial expressions, much more specific. So facial expressions, there are 7 facial expressions that have a universal meaning across cultures. The person I do a lot of research with, Paul Ekman, the person who's the inspiration for the TV show Lie to Me, the scientific advisor for it, he studied this in Papua New Guinea years ago when Papua New Guinea had no contact with the West. He studied it in blind individuals who've never seen these expressions. They show up the same. So one of them, for example, the easiest one to learn is contempt. Now, contempt is a nightmare.
Right.
If you're scamming on someone in a bar, they show contempt, just move on. Picture Dick Cheney. You guys started to do it right there. It's an asymmetrical smile. It's a smile on one side of your face. You did a subtle expression of contempt right before that. If you slowed it down, that would be exactly what it was.
They're going to do that. They're going to go back and capture it.
That's exactly what it was. You just slightly moved aside. So this is contempt.
Okay. Okay, so just
like that. That's exactly right. Sometimes it's on the left, sometimes that's on the right. If you look at Dick Cheney, if you look at George Bush, do it all the time.
So contempt, the connotation to me is that, you know, it's this sheer hatred for the person, but that's not necessarily what you mean by
necessarily, no,
contempt.
not hatred. Contempt could be, at one extreme, it could be a sense of moral superiority. So you might be talking to someone in San Francisco and you say, what do you think of Sarah Palin? And they show contempt. You might be talking to Sarah Palin and say, what do you think of same-sex marriage?
Right.
And she shows contempt. So it can be a moral quality of derision.
Okay.
It can be a sense of being better than. For some people, it's just skepticism.
Now, what's the difference between disgust
and contempt? Is just this very simple muscle. Disgust is pretty complicated. Disgust at its extreme is everything moves towards the middle, like this.
Okay.
So
like you smelled something bad.
You smelled something bad. What's your least favorite food? Brussels sprouts.
I actually love vegetables, but you know what? I can't stand.
Milk. You ever had sour milk?
Oh,
had food poisoning?
Oh yeah. I just did it. I did it totally instinctively.
So, you did it like that. So many people. And so here's the sort of the third lesson. So the soft spots from the deviations from baseline. The expressions at their extreme would be something like this.
Right.
But people try to conceal them, so often all you'll see is the expression that's slight, as you did with the contempt, was just a slight something going on, or it happens very quickly. So you might get disgust, and all you would see is the wrinkling of the nose, but in slow motion, you would see the whole face was like that. And people don't notice it, because what they're doing is they're looking in the wrong place.
Right.
So let's say you're trying to figure out, you're trying to be nice to me. Where are you be looking at on my face?
Well, normally in your eyes.
You're looking in my eyes, and it's a total waste of your time.
Really?
Yeah, the eyes are a total waste of your time. On the other hand, the eyebrows, very interesting. So the eyebrows come down and together like that. That on its own is just interest.
Right,
so it could just be, when I was talking to your producer, I said something to her, and she said, well, would you be willing to do this? And I said, no, and she did this. And I couldn't tell, was she angry, or was she just thinking, oh shit, what am I going to do instead?
Right.
So that could just be, I'm thinking about it. That's interesting, because suppose you're talking to somebody, it's like, well, what about if we do this? And it could be going to a restaurant, could be going to a certain country for vacation, could be whatever.
Right.
And they do that. They're not necessarily angry, but they're having to think about it. If the eyes glare, if the eyes open wider, or sometimes they get tighter. Some people do that. The lower eyelids get tight and the eyebrows go down. That can be anger. And you want to notice that. Talk about the pursed lips with that, with the men often, they're trying to give you women.
Right.
That can be the involuntarily rolling under the lips. Very hard to do voluntarily, but it's a very reliable sign the person's starting to